In this video, we'll show you how to set up a custom signature in AlemHealth Connect. Custom signatures add a personal and professional touch to your reports, ensuring they're easily recognizable and legally valid if needed. Start by clicking on Settings from the AlemHealth Connect homepage. Next, select My Signature. Here you'll see options to create a signature automatically or upload an existing one. To auto-generate a signature, choose a font style that best suits you, and then type in your name. If you'd like this digital signature to have the same legal validity as a pen and paper signature, tick the box to give it legal equivalency. You can also add optional fields such as your title, user role, mobile number, reporting date, qualifications, or even free text to further personalize your signature. Finally, click on Save Signature to apply your settings. And that's it. Your custom signature is now ready to use in AlemHealth Connect, adding a polished and personal touch to your reports.